Affiliate marketing for beginners. In a moment, I will show you how to stand out from the crowd even when you're new to this business. Now, when you start out, you may feel you're in a sea of marketers. So what can I do to stand out more from the masses? 2 words: authority and trust. You build authority using social media by getting likes and followers on YouTube and Facebook. This can be achieved by a short ad campaign to get likes and followers, and it won't break the budget because it's one of the cheapest ads you'll do. You build trust by adding value to your product. So when they respond to your offers, whichever way you do them, you can add a bonus like a PDF of tips or maybe a free product to enhance the value of the main offer. Who doesn't like free extras to add value? And don't forget empathy, because everyone will have experienced the ups and downs of building a business online. Mindset is a word that doesn't get mentioned enough. You need to think of the help you are giving to your audience to get them on their way faster and easier. Ask yourself, is this useful and going to be of benefit to them? Give, and you will be given. I hope that has been helpful, and in the next video I'll talk about the free tools option. See you there.